Mm. Mm-mm-mm. Let's go. One second, I just need to manage that trade, you know? Perfect. Good morning. Let's go, let's go. Can you guys see? I should be good. Anyways, yeah, no, I just had to there we go. Come on. 77. There we go, guys. There we go. There we go. There we go. Beautiful. Very beautiful. Okay. Yeah, there's a bit of stalling here. A little bit of stalling there. A little bit. So be mindful. Mm. Yeah, we need to get above 60, 77. Let's go, Tesh. Come on. Let's go, let's go. We want monies. Lazy, good morning. Tesh, good afternoon. Cajun, good morning. Hi, Paul. War, good morning. Thor, finally joined Legends. Can you please share the invite to Discord, Thor? Yes, there's an invite. So either send me an email, hottradesx@gmail, or there's an invite on the community tab on YouTube. Like the invite link is right there. T Strong, good morning. Dave, Ayo, good morning. Nothing moving this morning. Yeah, it's baby scalps the last 2 days, isn't it? It was bound to happen though, right, guys? Over the last month or so, we've been rotating from like one fire week where like everything is going up 200%, 300%, 500% to another week where we can barely get 50%. But then the last 2 weeks have been amazing, man. Like cooking every single day. So, so we kind of skipped a week and we're back to a bit of a slow week, which is annoying because now you're looking for scalps, right? DD, good morning. Abdu, good morning. Teggy, ayo, good to see you. Jericho, good morning. Dana, good morning. Azul, let's go. Blue Magic, Thor, welcome. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Jameson, good morning. Dennis, good morning. The highest vibe, grand rising to you as well. KVS, good morning. Raven, good morning. Christopher, smash a like. Yes, please. Good morning, Chris. Good morning. Yeah, so it looks like there's a bit of resistance right there at 70. What is that? 77? Yeah, 77.50 ish for ENSC. But honestly, that looks like the most promising name into the open, though, doesn't it? Like IVP looks like garbage. A rep looks like garbage. ADXN is okay because it's holding 1150. We're gonna need to keep an eye on this one because it's the most expensive stock going into the open. I like to pay attention to those ones just because. TRIB is up 50%, but it's also kind of sitting at support, so it's really not doing anything there, right? So $3 is kind of holding for now. Let's see if we can stay above $3. But let me look at the gainers list here really quickly as well. I don't think there's anything on here that we haven't talked about already. No, right? So most of these names were pre-market scalps or like names from last night. So yeah, nothing really stands out for now. We have 22 minutes to go, so I bet you something's gonna, again for now, the one that I'm in, the most promising one for now is ENSC. So Like I said, I was waiting for the break and close above the wedge. You could have also gotten in on the demand or the bottom of the wedge if you wanted to, but let's see what happens here. So 77.50 for resistance, and then if we can break above that, let that thing cook. Good morning, C Green. Christopher, what's your question for NDRA? Let me know. 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 Uh, I spelled that wrong, didn't I? I can blame autocorrect for not typing it properly. Okay. Come on, something cook. Something cook, Laura. Something cook. Take something cook, please. There goes ADXN, of course. Of course. Right? Again, like I said, we always pay attention to the most expensive name on the list. Just because. I don't know. Like it's one of those things that you can't really explain. But look at that thing cook. Right there it goes. So again, the bottom has been really nice on that thing, 1150. So as long as it stays above 1150, that's a good thing. Now you're approaching a potential double top here at $12 and 60 cents. That's going to be your next resistance. Alrighty, good push though. You send me an email. Email. Hello, my name is Bob. I would like Discord invite, please. La, 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 la. Okay, so I sent you an invite. Just make sure you follow the steps in the getting started, and again follow the instructions in there, and you're going to be good to go. So a potential double top here for this one, ADXN. Some of you guys are playing with this one as well. So if you are, congratulations. It does need to break above that 1260 level, but it looks good though. It does look good. And there goes your breakout. Okay, perfect. 260. Okay. Yeah, that's a good push. See if we can close above that, right? So ENSC is just consolidating, guys. It's just sitting right below resistance, right? I could move this line a little bit higher to right there. It's going to need to break out. Alrighty, so again, it looks okay, right? It looks like it's trying to, but make sure you're ready to go. You're waiting to catch the dipskis. Yeah, I don't want it to dipski. I want it to go kaboomskis. Please and thank you. Rich, good morning. Eric, good morning. Jay, good morning. But again, there's a lot of resistance there. So anybody taking profits right below 77, I don't think you can have regrets. Luna, I'll take a look at Luna really quickly. Alrighty, so again, there's a bit of resistance right there, right below 77 cents. If you look to the last pivot on the left-hand side, you're going to see that resistance. So I'd be watching the 9 and the 20 and the kernel. Make sure we stay above. If not, we might go all the way back down and retest that 66, 67, 69-ish demand zone before we bounce again at the open. Alrighty, so that's a name we're watching for sure, for sure. ADXN, of course, we're watching that one. I think these two are like the top two gainers, yeah, right? So going into the open here, these names are the top two gainers. So obviously, people are going to be paying attention to the volatility there. I still would like for ADXN though to consolidate a bit more at 1260, above 1260, that double top. Consolidate there into the open or after the market opens and then go boom skis. Alrighty. Other than those two names, though, well, I mean, I guess it doesn't really matter. Question for you guys in the chat: what's your favorite name going into the open? Let me take a look at Luna, Ace. I know we were talking about, yeah, good. I mean, this thing did really well yesterday, right? That close above 510, which is kind of what we wanted, close above 510 because then we are actually closing above the 9, closing above support. So that was a really good thing. Alrighty. So again, today I think what you'd be looking for is, yes, we're red into the open, but if it can push back above 525, I think you're sitting in a really good spot. Alrighty. So yeah, go back up and close above, please. ADXN. But yeah, question for you guys into the open. What's your favorite stock going into the open? What's your favorite stock going into the open? Monies. Well done. Well done. Well done. Well done. What's your favorite stock going into the open, guys? TNXP, it's brewing. Okay. Raven likes TNXP. You're still in a KRUS. There we go. 78 cents, guys, for ENSC. Give me more, please. Give me more, please. Give me more, please. There goes 80 cents, guys. Give me more, please. Boom skis. 79.69. 80 cents might be a bit of a problem level too, isn't it? But that's okay. That is a-okay. Perfect. Let's go. Let's go. So yeah, ENSC again for sure is my favorite name going into the open. I mean, it better be my favorite name because I want to make monies, but because I want to make monies for the monies. Anyway, so 80 cents resistance. I'm for sure not going to go all the way back to the level that I bought at. So make sure you manage your position as you see fit, everybody. Alrighty. So again, take profits on the way up, move your mental stop loss up, whatever you need to do, do that. Alrighty. Fifth element, TNXP and ENSC. Okay, sounds good. Perfect. Perfect. So again, we like this name. ADXN is still looking to consolidate, which is exactly what we want. You kind of want that thing to consolidate for a little bit longer above 1260, then just because we're consolidating above a breakout double top. So that would be good. Alrighty. That would be good. Cool. So we're still kind of consolidating in that supply zone, stalling in a supply zone for our ENSC. So again, make sure you manage your position as you see fit. As you see fits. Okay. Hey, I finally got my new blue light glasses, guys. So you know the old one can be like for garbage. I'm kidding. I'm not gonna throw it away, but anyways. You're buying one NVIDIA. Hmm. You're thinking of like either going one way or the other, Raven, calls or puts. Yeah, it'd be interesting. I still think though, like today and into tomorrow should be really telling. It really does depend on the way that we close and then push it and then the direction into earnings. That was a beautiful play, guys. I mean, it's still a play, right? So again, like I said in Discord, what I was looking for, right? What I was looking for to send that signal in Discord was the first close above the wedge, right? So if you got in on that signal, type in yes in the chat, right? So again, not the biggest of runs. I mean, it's okay. It is what it is, right? So, but again, like as soon as that candle closed right there, I was like, yep, FOMO, get me inside. Get me inside, please. Richie, yes, let's go. Again, make sure you're moving your stop loss up mentally, taking profits on the way up, if you want to, right? Um, yeah, let's go. There goes 82 cents. 82 cents. So again, now we will have a bit of resistance on the way up there. We could almost I'm gonna leave it right there. Mm. Oh, I see why. Yeah, there's a bit of a glitch. VOXX. Yeah. Hmm. Just kidding, Pablo. Annette, ayo. Ayo, Krista. Considering it, you're considering a position? Okay, I'll take a look in a second. Uh, your favorite swing? Yeah, you have a beautiful entry on that play, so that should be your favorite. That should be your favorite swing for sure. There we go, 82 cents, guys. Ooh wee! If you're in ENSC, type in yes in the chat. Richie's out at 81 cents. Well done, Richie. Right, so we are approaching that 83 level. Obviously, we want it to break and go boom skis, but we shall see. Again, if you're in this, if you're in ENSC or you made monies in it, type in yes in the chat. Is it too late to get in, Mercury? Well, it's approaching resistance. All right, so the answer will never be yes. Like whenever you ask me if it's too late to get into a stock, the answer will never be yes. I mean, well, maybe sometimes it will be yes. Actually, yeah, sometimes, yeah. But again, we've seen stocks do crazy things. My only concern when you get in after a major run and we're approaching resistance or we are at resistance is now your risk is way higher than it should be, right? It's not that it's too late. It's just that again, your goal is to minimize the risk. It's way too high at that point, right? So if you're buying this thing at 83 cents, yeah, we could break above 83 cents and go boom skis. But at this point, you're buying at the top of the supply zone. You're buying a potential double top, right? And that's a problem. You can kind of see what's happening, right? So look at that. From 83 cents, we're back to 79-ish. And we have our first red candle after hitting resistance. So it's not that it's too late, it's that your risk is way, way too high. Alrighty? Exactly, Ryan. Alrighty? there goes the dump, right? There goes 77 cents, right? So again, it's not that it's too late, it's that it's way too risky. And we're dipping. So maybe we come back and we find brand new support at 75 cents, consolidate higher, and then send it again. So again, take profits on the way up, move your mental stop loss higher, and you should be good to go. Yeah, there you go. So especially as people take profits before the market opens. Hindenburg is short SMCI. Counting manipulation sanction. Wow, really? Oh, wow. Huh. So one of the big boy shorts is shorting SMCI. That's interesting. Okay. Wonder if that stock will get cooked. I mean, they're announcing that short position in on a good day too, though. When the market is kind of red. So, you're welcome, Mercury. Yeah, at this point, when you're this close to the open, sometimes you're better off waiting for the open. Ayo, Dan, good morning. Are you fully over COVID now? Fully? It's yes, if not a maybe, or no, or a combination of all. Exactly, Pablo. You know what I mean? Exactly. Exactly. Unbelievable, Dan. Rigo, good morning. Good morning, WZ. Virus and thrust. VOXX. I'll take a look. I'm just catching up to the bottom of the comments now. Exactly, Daniel. Exactly. So anyway, so watch for 75 cents for this, guys, for ENSC. Alrighty. I wanted, like I said, I wanted to see a bit more consolidation for ADXN above $12.60, and it's really not done that. So for now, we either get a sell off at the open and consolidate. We have 8 minutes to go, or we get back above 1260, consolidate, and then boom skis from them. Alrighty. Let me take a look at VOXX. That one went up the scanner as well. It does look good. It does look good, Jameson. The only concern is you have a lot of resistance at $4. So if I was looking for a position here, I'd be waiting for a break above $4 and close above. Alrighty, what's the float on this thing? 9.4 million. Not horrible. Not bad, but yeah, still though, right? So you have resistance at $4. That's your double top for now. Right? So it's going to need to break above that supply zone. Has anyone in the chat have yeah, Dan? Yeah. Dan had the Ebola, because he wanted to. Dan, next time, just don't go on vacation. Stay with us. You know? Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, Jameson, that would have been nice. That would have been nice. On a retest of the 9 EMA, that would have been nice. It would have been nice. So here comes that retest of 75 cents for ENSC. So let's see what happens when the market opens already. And then $12 retest, which is basically a breakout for ADXN. Other than that, though, I'm sure there are a few more names we need to be paying attention to into the open, but yeah. Carl, really? Puts? Yeah, puts? Yeah, we'll see. Evidence of accounting manipulation. Yeah. Hmm. If anybody is holding puts, you're going to be smiling this morning. APDN might look for continuation. APDN. Okay. I'll take a look. Take a look, ski. Anything else we need to be watching into the open, guys? COVID. APDN. Good morning, Trey. Hello, Patricia. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Let me pull up the daily really quickly on this one. Yeah, nice little 3% pop after a massive sell-off yesterday. 13%. I say massive, but yeah, as long as you stay above, yesterday's low, $2.11. Yeah, that's okay. And then the if you can break above 245, that would be perfect. So confirmation for me is would be a break of 245 for continuation on that play. Then yeah, TANH, China name from last night. All of these China names did really well last night, right? They, especially this one seems to be stalling now, though. Fifth element, right? So you can kind of you can kind of look to the left hand side and you can see all of the resistance this morning. So it's the same level. So that supply zone is right around 25 cents. So if this thing wants to run this morning, it's going to need to clear that 25 cents. But it's something that should be watched for sure, though. So we will. There goes your retest again, Jameson. That 250 you wanted, well, 350. It came back for 350, but that's the $4 double top, though. That $4 double top. Wait, is that an S1 for Adam for RR? Hmm. Good job, Carl. Well done. Well done, skis. You're in at $2.80, George. Okay. Sounds good. At this point, honestly, we just need to fast forward to NVIDIA, and let them report earnings. $2.80. So you're trying to catch a knife, is what you're doing. At the after hour bottom low. So that's not a horrible entry, but it's still knife catching, George. I hope for you that we can stay above that demand zone. So stay above $2.80, and you should be okay. Alrighty. Again, it's not a horrible level because you have a bit of support there, right? All the way from like last night to this morning, the support at $2.80. Support and $2.80. So here comes 75 cents again here for ENSC. Again, sometimes honestly, when you see resistance, you can say, thank you guys. I take the monies, right? History doesn't repeat, but it rhymes. So this is another thing that I've tried to, explain, like I can't talk, explained in the past, right? So you can look at this and you can say, you know what, like, the double top is all the way up there. And yeah, you might be correct. But what I always look for, so let's say I'm looking at this, right? So, and then someone would say, you know what, Blaze, like that double top is really all the way over there. How come you have your line right there, right? And how come we're failing right there? So again, like what I'm always looking for is I'm looking for confluence, right? I wanna look again. I have an idea in my head, and I'm like, hey, I think we're approaching resistance. At the same time, what I'm looking for is I'm looking for multiple indicators to confirm that, right? I'm not just going to take my own idea and run with it. I'm not just going to use one candle and run with it. What I'm looking for is multiple candles to confirm that. So if I look at this and I have multiple touches around this area, and I have the top of the supply zone in that area, I have the golden candle in that area, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to say, yeah, you know what? I'm going to use that level. Yes, I could go all the way to the top there and put my resistance there, but why not just go there when I have more resistance, right? I'd rather secure more monies, or I'd rather, than than wait for resistance, and we just never get there. Honestly, the confirmation would be like a potential doji candle there, right? So we start stalling, and then it's a problem. But again, like I said, 75 cents. Let's see if we can stay above 75 cents, guys, for ENSC, and then push back up when the market opens. We open in 54 seconds already. So again, that's going to be one to watch into the open. ADXN is still selling off, but the good thing is that at least it seems to have a bit of support at $12. So let's hope we can stay above $12. Mullen is such a funny stock. Yeah, I saw Mullen pop this morning. TANH again isn't again still below 25 cents, so we can keep that on the back burner for now. And VOXX, Jameson, you had the second opportunity. Dang, Jameson, did you get it? Right, you wanted to 350, you got it again. So now we're back to $4, and it's still the same resistance. Alrighty, VOXX. That thing looks like it wants to cause a. You took a small position. Okay, good. At least you're in there now. At least you're in there. At least you stayed away from $4, and there goes $4. There goes $4. 417. Ooh, 420. When hold, Jameson? When profit take? That thing said, "Let me cook, please. Let me cook." Right. So again, the only concern here is when the market opens, crazy things happen. Right. You look at these levels, and they might not make a whole bunch of sense because there's way too much volume coming in. Right. So we shall see what happens here. VOSX is still playing with that 75 cents, even though it broke below really quickly. Again, typical, right? Market open volatility. So there's a reason why some people just say, you know what, like the market's about to open. Let me just take my gains and move. Let me just take my gains, step outside the building for a second and then come back in. So, woof, that thing said, are you kidding me? But again, we still have that resistance in that supply zone. So just keep that in mind. This is just market open volatility. Craziness is what all look at that. We just went from 82, almost 82 cents to 71 cents, lows of the day, right? This is the danger of like the market open. If you're not sure what to do at the open, give it a few minutes, guys. You will save yourself a lot of headaches, right? You will save yourself a lot of drama by waiting a few minutes at the open. If you're not sure, just stand aside. Stand aside and let the market makers play games. And then you can say, "Ooh, okay, I'm ready." Right? So that initial support for this thing was closer to 70 cents to what is it, 67, right? So let's see if ENSC can consolidate in that range again. Cool? Cool. Cool, cool, cool. So VOXX is still hitting brand new highs of the day. $4.20. 420 is a very common resistance level. So let's see if we can break and close above it. And it looks like it's going for brand new highs, right? So that 350 for you, Jameson, was quite nice. Again, none of these candles have actually closed above 420 yet. None of them are DM. Oh, let's go, Jameson. Let's go. Uh, oh, wow. That's amazing. Congrats. Love it. So yeah, that candle is still fighting to close above $4.20. Alrighty, so congratulations if you FOMOed into this one. FOMOed, it goes $4.40. Yeah, absolutely. Like honestly, the plays we miss at the open, that pump immediately at the open, they're very minimal compared to the plays that get trashed at the open, right? So uh, this is the exception. VOXX is the exception, right? Why? There's only one reason why it does that at the open, though, because it's a breakout. And again, I've said this multiple times on stream. The only way that I buy anything at the open is if it's a breakout. That's the only time. Like if it's clearly breaking resistance and the volume is coming in, that's the only time. If not, meh, you wait. You wait for your sell off, you wait for your dip skis, you wait for consolidation, and then go from there. Alrighty. ENSC is still playing games with that demand zone, with Z demand zone. So let's see what happens there. Nice little bounce here from $12 on ADXN. So that looks nice. Uh, let's go, Laura. Give me a high five. Well done. Let's go. So when the market gives us lemons, we make I was trying to use something that ran with the market instead of using the lemonade stuff. But anyways, we take scalpies, So yeah, when the market is this low, we take scalps. 10 cents here, 10 cents there, 20 cents there, and we call it a day. Anyways, yeah, no, ADXN does look good. We do have that nice little double top at $13 basically. So let's see if we can break and close about $13. Alrighty. That was the most Biden thing you've ever said. But I actually didn't say it. I retract it. Swing and a miss lemons. Yeah. Yeah. We're kind of getting some lower highs on these candles here for VOXX. Hopefully Jameson is managing that trade and locking in those gains before they find him and said, "Hey Jameson, what are you doing?" So ENSC is going to need to sell off and consolidate somewhere. Alrighty, it's going to need to sell off and consolidate somewhere. Consolidate somewhere. Actually, is ENSC the top gainer coming into the open? It is, isn't it? Mm-hmm. Yeah, VOXX looks good though. I do like that. That 69 to 70 cents to 67. That was the initial range we wanted early this morning, right? So, I do like the bottom of this demand zone. So if we can continue if you're watching or playing with this, as long as we stay above like 69 ish, you're fine, right? And there goes a nice little pop. There goes 74 cents. So as long as that demand zone is holding for ENSC, again, we never want to just blindly write these names off and say, hey, like it's, APDN. Is it's going? Okay, I'll take a look. So we will, everything seems to be bouncing nicely this morning though, doesn't it? So TRIB with a nice little bounce. TANH is retesting 25 cents again, so that looks good. Yeah, so what they've it looks like they filed an S1, Justin, RR. So that's why it's tanking like a rock. APDN. Let's go, Ace. That looks nice, right? So that break of 245, right, Ace? 245 break and bye bye, right? And then send it. So that does look really good. Congratulations, Ace. Your next resistance is right at 270, so just keep that in mind if it's a scalp or a swingy swing. I think you might like the swings, Ace. So yeah, so 270, 275 is your next little level to watch. Righty? Good morning, Doche. Late for are we having a bad day? No, absolutely not. So there goes VOXX, Jameson. So that looks good. Alrighty. Did you get into like shares and options? I think you did. I think you did. Yeah, VOXX is it's one of those random stocks that show up and then and then just cook, just cook. Yeah. Well then, are you going to take profits on something though? You should, right? So either take profits on the shares or take profits on the options. Yeah, because that's options monies for later. Something. Alrighty. Yeah, so TANH again, that 25 level is still a bit of resistance, so you're gonna need to break above anybody that's holding that stock. ENSC, yeah, that thing said, excuse me, yeah, I don't maybe I don't like what it's doing there anymore, right? So below the 9 EMA the entire time. This is why like I will send you guys the risky entries as signals, but I will tell you guys that again, if a stock is below the blue line, below the 9 EMA, be very careful, right? The 9 EMA is your best friend on the way up, it's your worst enemy on the way down. So Let's see what happens with this thing. So it looks like the curse is gonna live on, right? If your name is the top gainer, maybe, hopefully not. Let's see what happens. Alrighty. I don't think we've really had a morning like push yet on ENSC, so we're gonna leave this one on watch for a second and see what it does. Alrighty. Let's not write it off completely yet. So yeah, 260 ace for APDN. 260. Looking for dip to increase your shares. Did you sell the options though, Jameson? Did you sell anything? Ah, okay, I see. Okay, never mind. I see why then. Yeah, ice cream monies. VOXX 460. Ace? Yeah. That's Luna for you. That is Luna. The spread on the options. Okay. I mean, you're testing brand new highs of the day, so maybe that'll make it easier on you. Easier on you. There goes 475. TRIB does look really good too, actually. Yeah. Highs of the day. Well, session highs, market open highs. Yeah. 320 is huge resistance, Pablo. There's an option resistance there. There's a 200 EMA sitting there, and then also just psychological wall. $3.20. That thing's like, you think so? And then it's like, yeah, maybe. It is fighting though. It is fighting. Here comes the test. And another fail. What is that, the third time now? Ooh, nope, not yet. Come on. Break it. There goes 320 again. And broken. 326. 328. Yep. Let's see where that candle ends up closing, Pablo. See where we end up closing. Hi, Gary. How are you? How you doing, Gary? Tomato Rock, yeah, it's that 25 cents. See, same thing with ADXN, right? Double top $13 straight to the abyss. So these market open rallies can be a bit concerning. TANH though, it might just give you a higher low, and if it does, then that's perfect, right? So that 25 cents is really important. Um, so if you get a higher low, so let's say you stay above 22 cents, then you're okay, because the bottom of the day is 2080. So as long as you stay above 2080, you should be okay. That candle really isn't closing above 320 yet for trips. So trips is right back below the 200 EMA. So we shall see. ENSC looks like it's trying to consolidate, but that 9 EMA has become a problem. That 9 EMA has become a problem, right? So nice little pop and then fail. Holding 65 cents though. APDN is done really well there. So again, 270, right? Good job, Ace. Love it. Yeah. Time to get it halted. Yes, please. Yes, please. Don't forget to smash the like, guys, if you haven't already. 300 shares, Ace. Okay, good job. Don't forget to smash the like if you haven't already. Hit that subscribe if you are new to the channel. And if you are not a member yet, you know what to do, right? You know what to do. Click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Ninebot, and come join us in Discord. Come join us. I wonder if ENSC is going to give us a bounce of that 65. Oh yeah, TANH is breaking above 25 cents, isn't it? So yeah, technically what it's done there is a higher low of the fifth element, right? So that 25 cents really important. Again, if you like it, let me just zoom in here really quickly, and then I'm gonna go back to the other one, right? So I mean, like it looks like it's giving you a nice little. If I can make my stuff work, you know. Here we go. So again, initial bottom and then just a higher low. So yes, even though we're failing at 25 cents here initially, what it's doing is it's creating a staircase. So hopefully it continues to do that and then go up like that, right? That would be nice. That would be nice. So again, none of these candles have actually closed about 25 cents yet, so they still need to. And then obviously TRIP is still failing at the 200 EMA, which is not a massive surprise already. So not a massive surprise. Anytime you see the 200, so people always ask like, hey, what do you use the 200 for? What do you use the VWAP for? These lines are used for support and resistance, especially when you're playing with momentum stocks, right? So anytime I see a stock approaching the 200 EMA, I'm going to be a bit concerned. Especially if I see that it's stalling there for multiple candles, that to me is always a bit of a red flag. So again, it's going to need to break above that 200 and close above it if it wants to cook. Cool. Again, TANH on the left-hand side there is looking okay. Finally pushing above 25 cents again. VOXX stalling there for you, Jameson. IVP went red. Nasty. Nasty, nasty. Nasty, nasty. Na, 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 na. There you go. There we go. There goes your drop for TRIB, right? Is that a big surprise, guys? No, it's not, right? We were just talking about this whole 200 EMA thing. It doesn't mean the stock isn't going to come back. It just means, again, when you see stuff like that, and so when it comes to resistance and support, right? Like you don't have to look at the level and say, oh yeah, this is it. Like this is the resistance, this is the support, blah blah blah. Sometimes all you have to do is expect a stock to fail in this area, but also give it time to confirm that, right? Because we've been to resistance levels where a stock gets there and it just shoots up, right? We've been to support where a stock gets to support and you're like, hey, I want to buy this thing at support, and it just crashes all the way to the abyss. So it's always important that when you get to support and resistance, you wait for confirmation, right? Or wait for confirmation. If I think that this thing is gonna fail at this level, and then I see one candle, two candle, three candles, I'm like, yeah, you know what? Maybe this thing is really gonna fail in this range, right? Like I said, it doesn't mean that it's done. It just means you might fail there for a second, right? And who knows how low it's gonna go. So then you have to decide, like, do I just take my profits, or am I willing to ride the wave down a little bit and hope that we come back up, right? VOXX is going back for the highs of the day there, Jameson. Sheesh. Highs of the day, VOXX. 70%. Jameson is smiling like a goat. Smiling like a goat. Smiling like a goat. EMA, Harold, if I said that any differently. EMA. Alrighty? Oof. That thing's been getting slapped like a monster. What's the other one doing here? Okay, we're still below 25. Yeah. Still below 25. Still below 25. Do, do, do. See if we can. Good morning, Troy. Hey, yo. Yeah, maybe we should have waited for that, because then. Yeah, exactly, Christopher. Now I go work for pennies to trade with you. Where's that? Where is Rob in the chats? Where's Rob? Jameson. Now that we let's see. Hmm. How green are you? How green are you on that position, Cajun? How green? Let me know. Yeah, I just want to know like it. So when do those things expire again? Yeah. So let me know. Let me know like what that when like so when they expire, and how green you are in that position. Please and thank you. Ready? That might be it, guys. That might be it. Yeah, that might be it. That might be it. That might be it. That might be as low as we go for now. Uh, you okay? You're up 83%. Okay, I love it. When do they expire again, Cajun? Let me know, and then I'll take a look. Yeah, yeah. Let me know when they expire because that's really important, and then I'll pull up the chart. 83% is nice though, right? So congratulations. Hopefully it's good money. It's Friday. They expire on Friday. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I already know what the answer is gonna be, but I'll just take a look. APDN looks nice. Ace, congratulations. $2.80. American Airlines. You have some $10 puts, and American Airlines is bloody red. I just want to see what the daily looks like here before I. That was a nice put position, by the way. I wish you had more time on this. I wish you had more time on this because again, it looks very weak. It's obviously found resistance at 1050. I think that's what we said yesterday, right? Don't let it go above 1050, which it never did. So your position is fine. The only issue is the time you have. So yeah, Cajun, I would consider taking half of those profits at least. Again, my only concern is they expire on Friday. Ready? 85. Yeah, that thing almost broke above $5. Jameson, the spread should be a little bit better on those things, though, right? Also take half, yeah. Um, yeah, no, I would take half of the gains. Yeah, and then put a stop loss on the remaining half. So then you at least you know you're gonna stay green for sure. Alrighty. Uh, okay, there we go. Do. American Airlines. Yep, I agree, Paul. I agree. I agree. And then ENSC again will finally finally back into this one. So let's see what it does this time. See what it does this time. See if we can close the candle above the 9. Come on, ENSC. Give us something here. Give us a cook. We know you have a curse on you, but give us something. 65. NVIDIA. You want 70? Well, let's see. Let's see, Justin. Let's see if we get boomskis there. If not, yeah. I mean, it's a good thing that they maybe, I haven't really looked at the filing yet, so make sure you do, Ryan. So I don't know if they've filed an offering or if they've actually done the offering. I think it was just an S1 filing. They haven't actually done anything yet. So, maybe they're getting ready for a run, or maybe they're just getting ready for an offering because they suck. Because they suck, Anyways, so yeah. Let's see what happens with this one. Even if we come back and retest that that little 62 range for potential demand zone retest, let's see what happens. Alrighty, these candles are going to need to start working though. Working. VOXX still holding the kernel. Yep. I'll send that over. Send that over. Perfect. Jameson, that stock is actually behaving quite well for you. Even though it's at resistance, it's done quite well for you. Well done. Well done, skis. Yep. What are we doing? Just playing games there now? Yep. Baruch, what's your question? Has broken the has broken the support? So does that? What do you mean broken the support? Based. I don't understand your question. Don't understand your question. Come on, there's almost no volume coming into that thing, is there? Almost no volume at all. Sheesh, what happens to all the volume, guys? What happened? What happened? All the volume said, we're just gonna go somewhere else. Yeah, it's gonna be that type of week, honestly. Super slow. And then, TANH could never really close above 25 cents fifth element. So, so technically a double top is what's happened there, right? It just couldn't do it. It could not do it. It just couldn't do it. Ooh, we're going back into that range, yeah. So we're going back into that range for potential retest. And let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. ENSC. Back into that 62 range. To 59. Are you gonna give us more dipskis, or are you just gonna keep slacking? You're in at 21 cents. Okay, yeah. At least you're green in that position. Are you gonna give us more dipskis, or just keep slacking here, ENSC? If you want to dip, give us more dipskis. If you want to pump, just pump it. Yeah. 25 cents, Travis. Sheesh. Super slow. Until it hits 205. Ryan, where did you buy that thing at? What's your entry? American Airlines just hit new lows of the day. It's not a massive drop, right? Super slow. It's 2 cents lower than it was Cajun, but okay, you sold half of those at 100%. Yeah, absolutely beautiful. Because now what you just did there, Cajun, is you locked in your initial investment, right? And then now you're just riding house money. So that's really good. So congratulations. There's nothing wrong with that at all, at all. So nothing wrong with that at all. SMFL. Take a look. You're welcome. Good job, though. Good job. Good job. Ayo, Kelly. Smart money makes monies. Exactly, Ace. Exactly. Exactly. TANH, is it getting slapped? Oh, what's happening? Yeah, that thing said, excuse me. Yeah. So there goes, oh, you're in a doll. Okay, that's fine then. That's fine then, Ryan. Yeah, you're green on that position. So Nemo, good morning. Yeah, that thing, again, that thing couldn't break about 25 cents, right? Destroyed to the abyss. Sheesh. Yep. Hopefully you're not holding a bag now on this thing. Pre-market was fun. Pre-market. ADXN has done a good job bouncing up the 200 though, hasn't it? Yeah. It's done a good job. You know what stock we need that to happen to as well? Stupid SC, ENSC. That's what it needs to do. It needs to give us a bouncy bounce. No more slacking. VOXX has been impressive actually, Jameson. I mean, obviously there's a lot of resistance at $5, but that thing's done really well. With a small profit fifth, okay, good job. Well done. Good. Good, good, good. Yeah, today's all about the scalps. All about the scalps. APDN still looks okay. That resistance is still there though at 285, but still looks fine though. No, 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 no. Okay, let me take a look at SMFL. Smart for life. Nice push. Yeah, nice push. I mean, we're sitting at the 200 at $1.55 now, but yeah, nice push. Very nice push. And then ENSC is trying to play, it's playing games here with us, isn't it? Like it's trying to push, but it's not really pushing. Sheesh. Come on. Can we get the party started already? 64 pennies. 64 pennies. Exactly. That's kind of why, like, I like part of the reason why, like, that signal, the range for me on that signal, all the way down to 60 cents. Like, I'm okay with this thing all the way down to 60 cents. Well, not anymore. Now it's 62 cents. As time goes on, so will these moving averages, right? So, yeah. So for now, that thing needs to stay above. I mean, you might still just have a psychological level at 60 cents, but still, you kind of want it to stay above 62 now. VOXX is going for that high again. And what, Jameson? And thrust. And then SMFL is failing at an expected level. My goodness. The voice. This is the voice. Luna is finally moving. Luna. Oh yeah. Well, I mean, still playing with the famous $5 support, the ace, but it's okay though. Is okay. It's okay. It's all right. Yeah, Jameson, there's a lot of resistance there. The good thing here though is that you're constantly getting those higher lows. So as long as you keep getting those higher lows, that's okay. Alrighty. As long as you keep getting those higher lows. Mm, yeah, I mean, I get that. 16.5%. Yeah. Still needs to get above $2.85 though. No, 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 no. Okay. My goodness. What a slow morning. Slow, slow, slow. 15, 89. Yeah. You kind of wanted to stay there a little bit longer, don't you, Jeff, for the dividend to hit so you can rotate the money. Yeah, someone's buying the dip on this thing. Every time it dips, it's a higher low. So as long as you keep getting that, though, Jameson, you're fine. If that changes at some point, though, you have to take your monies and run. You have to take your monies and run. There goes highs of the day test again on VOXX. VOXX. And there's the Scammy McGee drop. The Scammy McGee drop. That thing said, excuse me, I'm here to take your monies. Let's see. Do 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 do. What is that? MNTS? Yeesh, that's nasty. Sometimes when you get that first red candle, yeah, the best thing to do is pack your bags, because then that just creates unnecessary panic. Unnecessary panic. Maybe yeah, this next little candle here is going to be really important for this stock. Really, really important. Really, really important. Because really, really important, this candle. Jameson, did you take profits? Let me see. Ah, yeah. Oh my goodness, that thing broke about $5, guys. It actually broke about $5. Well done, Jameson. Well done. Yeah, well done. Well done. Well done. Like no halting. Did the bids actually catch up on that thing though? Ooh, that's good money, Jameson. What time is the NVIDIA earnings stream tomorrow? I things to do, but you want to be there. So it's gonna be at so power hour, 3 p.m. 3 p.m. Eastern time. Power hour. Okay, so that candle came a little bit lower. Hmm. Okay. Let's see where this next candle. Let's see if we can get a higher low on one of these candles before we make a decision there. Alrighty. If not, that thing can die. Si, senor. 520. Uh, uh, Stays gray. Need an update. There we go. 540 Jameson. Oof. Can't believe those guys had actually had options though. And they actually failed you at 10 cents. Uh, there you go. The Bitcoin exchange, really? There's a branch open near you. There's a Bitcoin exchange. Oh, wow. See, Bitcoin is here to stay. Bitcoin is here to stay. 750 calls, I'd say. 750s. Okay. 750. Yeah, I don't like that. Okay, perfect. Slow stonks. You're up 192%. Congratulations. Well done. Well done. Well done. Yeah, again, so that's one of the things that, like, when you're looking at a stock like this and it's constantly giving you those higher lows, that's usually a good thing. Right? And then a really good breakout above $5 and then boom skis. All the way to $5.45. And I'm just waiting for Jameson to lock in some gains, but he's not gonna lock in any gains. He's gonna wait till it goes to $10. You can buy Bitcoin. Yeah. See, I need to go to one of those because I'm not quite sure how that works. So do you buy it and then does it go on to like how does that work? Like how does a Bitcoin ATM work? Short report for Lumen. My goodness. Maybe the markets will. Maybe Nvidia is gonna get destroyed tomorrow. Maybe. The way that all these shorts are coming out with all these different things is really interesting. Here goes 530. 920. Okay. La, 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 la. Okay. You like Lumen calls or VOXX calls? Never use it, but and it puts on a card. Okay, something that but okay. That's cool. Yeah, it's almost like your little passcode or like something something is on the card, right? Yeah, that's cool. Carysdale, we are short Lumen. Despite 400% on in stock rise in recent weeks, AI can't save this dying over levered legacy telecom. Interesting. Very interesting. Okay. I mean, they're very interesting. Crazy. Tay, HAIN. What's your position? What's your position in that play? Let me know and I'll take a look. Let me know. BTC ATMs, Indiana. Yeah. Yup. I'm just waiting for Bitcoin to get back above 70. That's it. Somebody wake me up. Somebody wake me up when it's above 70. And then all-time highs, and then 100K. Then I think it's gonna get crazy. Okay, Guardian, I'll let you know when your algo is good to go. Yeah. Skull, it's more about like honestly to me. Yeah, Tay, let me know what you're looking for. If you're in a position, if you're looking for an entry, right, let me know, and I'll take a look. Alrighty, this is why we say like yes, when you're playing with momentum stocks, they might have news, but that's not exact. That's not all it's about. Unless the news is really obvious, like it has something to do with the famous names, right? The TikToks, the Meta, the NVIDIAs, Microsoft. If your name has news that's connected to one of these four names, that thing's gonna cook all day, right? If it doesn't, and even if it does, right? So your main focus is price action, price action, price action, price action, right? So less focus on the news and more on the price action. Even if they have amazing news and the stock isn't performing, there's no need for you to lose money because the stock has news, right? VOXX is actually impressive in the way that it's holding above. Very impressive. Yeah, exactly, Ryan. Give us brand new highs and then we'll talk. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Okay. Well done, Jameson. Because then what you've done is you're basically writing the one you have left for free. Free monies, Jameson. So well done. It is trying to curl, trying to, but I mean, as long as you can stay, maybe yeah, as long as you can keep closing these candles at 59, maybe, right? Just don't like when it breaks like that below the 200. It stays below. Giovanni, I agree. You can only stay there for so long until people and then people start panicking. Uh, Wait, what? Teenagers trade 20 million in simulations to prep for jobs at Citadel. Hmm, interesting. Very interesting. Yeah. Whenever the market has any signs of like redness, Tesla is Tesla immediately. Sheesh, Tesla. Oh my goodness. You buy puts in Tesla, you always get paid. Always. Like the S&P is not even sitting at the lows of the day. But Tesla is slapped. There goes your drop to $5 there. $5 drop. Do, 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 do. This next bull cycle. Yeah, I think if we break above the previous all-time high, everybody's going to be saying, "Oh my goodness, 100,000! Where is it? Where is it? BTC." So as soon as Bitcoin breaks above the next high, yup, that might be coming in October, right? So that might be when the next run starts. September is usually a fishy month for the markets. Fishy month for the markets. So we shall see. Sheesh, what a slow week, guys. Again, the scalp is all over the place, but my goodness. Jameson is like, no, it's not. No, it's not. Yeah, don't forget to smash the like, guys, if you haven't already, please and thank you. Smash the like, hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. And if you're not a member yet, click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbot. Come join us in Discord. If you're watching on Stonks, guys, don't forget to hit the follow. Hit the follow button. And again, there's a $10,000 giveaway for NVIDIA earnings tomorrow. So that's going to be cool. That's going to be fun. So yeah, we will stream in the morning and then come back for power hour. Righty, there goes the drop virus. Come on. So again, yeah, tomorrow after the market closes. So we will be back on stream for power hour tomorrow. Ready for violence. Hopefully one of us wins. I think the top prize, they're gonna split the prizes, right? So a whole bunch of people are gonna win. Like the closer you get to like guessing the price, 30 minutes after Nvidia reports earnings, you win monies. You win monies, right? But so I think the top price is like $1,500. If you so hopefully one of us can win. Hopefully one of us can win. What's the link again for the thing? It's over Ribbon. So this is the link. So Ryan, let's go. So that's the link. That's the link at the bottom there. And yeah, so again, you can start getting your entries in tonight after the today's giveaway. And then so every day they give away $1,000, right? The person that comes closest to guessing the earnings price of whichever earnings stocks. So you can make like monies every day. But then so yeah, on tomorrow Wednesday, the price is gonna be $10,000. So that's click on that link at the bottom. We can do that tomorrow. So tomorrow we're gonna stream on there and then stream on here as well. So then we see who wins. But yeah, we'll see. We shall see. We could win monies, yeah. If somebody tells me the price, the exact price Nvidia is gonna close at tomorrow 30 minutes after the report earnings, I will give you monies too. I will give you 20%. Deal? Handshake. So somebody tell me the exact price Nvidia is gonna be at tomorrow after they report earnings. 30 minutes after when the game is done. Already? 137.88. Ooh, virus. Okay, I'm gonna take a screenshot of that and save it. So virus. So we have receipts. Let's go, virus. 137.88. I like it. I like it. I like it. 105 because they might disappoint with Blackwell shipments. 105. Okay, sounds good. Sounds good. I know, virus. I know. 133.05. Oh my goodness, Ryan. Can you imagine if Nvidia went to 260? Sheesh. Bitcoin would break $70,000 for sure. For sure. For sure. Jose, for now, it looks like you're getting a bit of a double bottom at 58.50 already. So that for now is the most important level for you. right? So 58.50. I keep calling it 58.50, but a little bit lower. So 58.40 should be maybe your bottom, your potential stop loss below that level, right? And then your main resistance again. You do have a bit of a double top at 61, but then that 200 is your main resistance at 62. So yeah, let's go, Lizzie. Yeah, you guys need to remind me tomorrow because I'm gonna forget. I'm gonna forget, guys. I'm gonna forget. I will forget. Do-do-do, do-do-do, do-do-do. Do-do-do, do-do-do, do-do-do. Do-do-do, do-do-do, do-do-do. There you go. 125.70. That's it. Fifth element. That's it. I don't think so. I think that thing either cooks or like it gets slapped. Let's go. 62 cents. Let's go. Let's go. I like it. Uh, Overnight, Dana. I mean, it's way too early to tell, Dana. Way too early, right? It's not even lunchtime yet. So what you should be doing for now is saying, okay, I'm in at this price. Here's my current stop loss. If my stop loss doesn't hit, after before lunch, after lunch, at the end of the day, and then we can make that decision at the end, at the very, very end, right? You don't want to make a decision like that now. Your goal now should be, again, you're green. Set a stop loss now. If it hits, then you're obviously done with it. If it doesn't hit, then make the decision later. Make that decision later. Alrighty. Yeah, I mean it's holding up really well, even though it's retracing from 550. So, Virus, are those puts green at all? Just watching. Okay, sounds good. Yeah, retest of the view up and the 50 EMA here. So let's see. Maybe it gets a bounce here. Maybe you get a bouncy bounce. Yeah, 61.50 for you there. So 62 cents is the 200 Abdu, right? So let's see if we can go there. 15%. Okay, not horrible. Thor says, can you please advise my broker doesn't have option for pre-post market trading, but how can I? Uh, your broker doesn't have it. So where do you live, Thor? Where do you live, and why does your broker not have it? Where do you live? Ooh, Spice Green. Wow, I'm surprised, Troy. Troy, wow. I mean, that's a pretty nice push for the S&P, actually. Pretty nice push. Yeah, barely. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Finally, Jose. There you go. So super, super slow, right? Held the bottom and back to 63 cents. Back to 63 cents. Hopefully it can stay above though. Hopefully. La, 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 la. Okay, perfect. Just make sure you don't end up in the, letting it go below 58 cents again. Alrighty, Jose? I would not do that. Would not be doing that. My goodness, Ace Luna has been stuck. Again, the good thing is that when you look at a bigger time frame, Ace, like it's consolidating, so you should be okay. Should be okay. Let me look at that 4 hour time frame again for Luna here. The 4 hour time frame. Yeah, that's the good thing there, right? So like it clearly like has found a bit of support. You just need a bit of a curl, a little bit of a curl, a bit of a curl. If that thing can close above 520 today, I think that's your confirmation ace. Ayo, greatness, what's up? What's up? 137.27, 127.27, 137.27. Yeah, tomorrow is gonna be chaos. Getting all these entries in, there are gonna be a lot of people guessing. A lot of people guessing. A lot of people. Super cool. How many entries do you guys have? Like when you check your entries, how many do you have for a contest? You guys know? I wish I could give entries though to people. Can I do that? I don't think I can. No, I don't think I can. That would be cool. Halted. New IPO. Okay. Azul, yes. If you do some things, yeah, some of them renew daily, so you can get entries daily depending on the streak, and things like that. Yeah, some of them renew daily. So yeah, just kind of click around at the top there. It should tell you. Like click on your username on like the top. It should tell you. I would say no, save them, save them for save them for. You can use them tonight. You can start getting your entries in tonight or tomorrow, whenever, all the way till like at the very end of the day, before the market closes. When the market closes, then the game is locked, and then yeah, yes. Mark and Nicole, hi. What's your position in APDN? So again, APDN hit that what? So 285, right? And sold off. So my thoughts on it, I'm not sure what your question is. Like, are you in a position? Are you looking for an entry? What are you looking for? It does have a bit of support at $2.40 now, just because you have the 200 EMA sitting there. So let's see if we can stay above that. See if we can stay above that. Alrighty. Two. Yeah. There goes ENSC. I mean, at least it's doing something, at least it's coming back. La, la, la. Well done, Ace. Well done. Yeah, well, sometimes when that thing is hitting resistance, take your monies and run. You're green now, Raven. Let's go. Yeah, that thing. This thing has been quite annoying, right? So it's like baby scalpies. But at least it's coming back off a double bottom. So at least it is coming back. Drop. You know what? I'll take a look at that thing actually, because I know you've been spamming it. Hain. Yeah, it for sure has work to do. It might look good because you're in a nice entry, like you have a good entry on it. At the same time, though, $9.30 is resistance. 920 to 930 is resistance. So if I was looking for position here, I would be waiting, just because we've been failing here for too long. But if it can break out though, then yeah, probably gonna send it. Never mind, ignore all, Tony. Don't worry, we were ignoring already. So ENSC 64 cents. Seriously, Raven. Seriously. JBDI on halted. DI. Brand new IPO. Okay. Yeah. These IPOs can be wild. Okay, it looks like it's going for brand new highs today, isn't it? La, la, la. Oh wow! Really? $500. Let's go. Love it, Troy. Longs. I'm just looking at your trade transcript here. You had a lot of long positions. Lots of long positions. DD, you're looking for position? I would give it a second. Soon enough. I know. I know. Well, did I not change the? I did not. Did I? Copy. I bought a few weeks ago at $4. Yeah, I'll take a look. Yeah, APDN is trying to hold that 240, so that's okay for now. Doesn't seem like there's a whole lot of volume coming in though to push it up. SOND, you're in at $4 a few weeks ago. Oof, well done. Yeah, you're well over 100% on this play here. I mean, $10 double top resistance, 1050. Where do you currently have your stop loss at though, Dazed? Where's your stop loss on this thing? It looks good, but it's also hit a double top. Doesn't look like that on the 1 minute, but on the daily, yeah. Jose wants that thing to cook. Come on, Jose. Yup. Again, we were always bound to get one of these weeks, where like everything was so slow. Again, you can make monies scalping. This is where like that scalping knowledge comes into play. But not every week is going to be the 100%, 200%, 300%. Next week though, for sure, we cook. Actually, next week is a short week. Maybe we'll see. To make a when I couldn't write our messages. Oh, okay, Bernie. Okay, so it's good now though. You're good to go. You're good in Discord and good on YouTube's. Yeah, next time when you're having issues like that, just honestly just pay for like the yearly stuff. Right? Just get the year and then you don't have to deal with like YouTube's and stuff. As bigger time frames and work your way down. Find exactly Ace. I agree. Okay, sounds good, Bernie. Yeah, there you go. Good. Absolutely. There goes ENSC. That's actually been a really good bottom of 58 cents, hasn't it? Not bad at all. Especially on the second retest then. Especially on the second retest. 65 pennies. 65 pennies. Yeah, so when it comes to time frames, people always ask like, hey, what time frame do you again, I like the 1 minute time frame because I like chaos, right? And I think it comes with you need a bit more experience to be using the 1 minute time frame. And so but I would always recommend, like, again, when you're looking at a stock, it's always recommended that if it's a swing plane, then yeah, you might as well, again, so you look at the daily, and then you look at a few bigger time frames, and you might even stick with the bigger time frames, right? Troy says 15 seconds. So my recommendation usually when you're looking at a momentum play, though, is like quickly glance at the daily time frame, right? And then you might have to look at the 4 hour or something like that, maybe, but I would quickly run back to the 3 minute or the 1 minute, if I can. That's what I do, right? So you don't want to go too far out on a momentum name, especially if it's a scalp, because then you're not looking at the right things, right? By the time you realize that something is happening on a 15-minute time frame on a momentum stock, you've already missed that opportunity to enter or to exit, right? So um, again, unless you're really giving it time as the day goes on, some stocks, like, when a stock runs for multiple days, like FFIE, and some of these multi-day runs, then yeah, like those bigger time frames are beautiful, right? The 15-minute, maybe the 30-minute, the hourly, the 5 minutes, right? But if it's a quick scalp, then you want to be very careful with the time frame you're looking at. Um, um, exactly, Ace. Exactly, exactly. Honestly, there've been times where, like, we look at a stock, and all you have to do is quickly zoom out to the daily or the 4 hour on a momentum stock. You look at a stock, and it's like, oh damn, this stock has been failing at $5 for the last year or so, right? So yes, we might be trading this on the 1 minute, but then we zoom out on the daily, we quickly look, and then we come back to the 1 minute, and it's sitting at $5, and then you're like, yeah, no, I'm not gonna touch this, and then all of a sudden it crashes back to $3, and you're like, yay, right? So zooming out is really important, and it doesn't have to take you very long, really quickly, and then I used to my money plays on the 5 minute. Yeah, it really depends. It really depends what you're doing, right? If you're looking for swing plays, then yes, there's no need for you to be looking for swing plays on a 1 minute time frame, right? Unnecessary, right? 15 minutes, beautiful, right? Hourly, 4 hour, daily, swing plays. But when you're looking for long term investments, right? What are you doing on the 1 minute? What are you doing on the 5 minute, right? Way too small, right? Go look at bigger time frames. When you're looking for quick scalpies, then yeah, that changes. Uh, I look for entries and exits only on the yeah. There you go, Ace. Yeah, I agree. I agree. MNCS is pushing again. But RR just on the daily, and it's continuing higher now. Greatness. Yeah, yeah, I see that MNCS popped there again. So there goes APDN still holding, right? That $2.40. Christopher, somebody and Nicole. Uh, Jax, were you long? Were you in a long position? You turning spy green was unnecessary. Well, I do like green though, Jax. Don't you? Actually, Jax doesn't like green. She's allergic to green for some reason. It's like when the market's red, it's like her favorite day. She's like, yes, yes, red, 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 because then she can short the entire market. Unnecessary. uh, yeah. Come on, you should have just gone long, Jax. Oh wow. Two workers are killed and one injured in Delta Atlanta maintenance facility. Like what? Like Delta Airlines? Oh wow. Sheesh. I wonder what happened. Like fixing the planes and then something happened. Sheesh. Yes, MNCS. Crazy guys, crazy, crazy. Good breakout to $1.30. Are you still in a short position? Jax needs help, guys. We need to convert her from like a resident bear to a bull. Only go long. Only go long, please. Maybe. Maybe. Looks like we double topped at a supply zone 65 cents for ENSC and then all the way back down. Well, not all the way, but you know what I mean. You know what I mean. Uh, uh, yeah, Ace. Yes. La, 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 la. Yeah, don't forget to smash a like. Yeah, Jax. I'm kidding. Smash a like, hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel, and if you're not a member yet, click the link at the bottom there and come join us in Discord. The market has always recovered from dips and recessions. Always, ever go to zero, you've got more to worry about than money. Ace, absolutely, absolutely, right. But again, that's for long term investments, right? So, yep. Some smart lady told me this too in the past, right? So, yeah, like again, if the market exactly what you just said, Ace, if you get into long term investments and the market goes to zero, you don't need monies at that point, right? If the market ever goes to zero, you won't be worrying about money. You'll be worrying like what to eat and where to hide. So the aliens don't get you. At that point, yup. Scalpy 560 to $6. Nice, Jay. Well done. Well done. Bullish flow on GoGo. GOGO. Interesting. GoGo. Very interesting. Virus, are those puts are even greener now? 20%? Let me take a look. What's GoGo doing here? 4 hour time frame. Not a whole bunch of volume, but there's some bullish flow for the calls there. Interesting. Yeah, you do, Ace. You do. Yeah, just kind of waiting for now to see if that thing can give us a pushback above 520. I think that might activate a run. But for now, again, it's holding the bottom, but it's just having a lot of issues with the breakouts. A lot of issues with the breakouts. Jax, if you stop playing with futures, I'll give you a stock recommendation. Okay. Mullen has been pumping every day now, so Mullen, and I'm kidding. Yeah, TANH looks like it's just trending down now. Just trending down. ADXN anything? No. You don't want to buy Mullen? Oh my goodness. But Mullen is a good stock. It's not. Don't let me look at Mullen. Minus 69. Good. I'm kidding, virus. Oh damn, never mind. Mullen is down 30. Mullen is down to 33 cents. Who would have thought, guys? Who would have thought Mullen would crash back down? Did anybody see this coming? What a garbage stock. Did anybody see this coming? Oof. Let's look at the 5 minute here. Mullen was flying high yesterday, flying high. I'm waiting for my charts to load. It's a long time, my goodness. Jeez, look at Mullen, guys. Flying high. And then boom skis, straight to the abyss. But maybe there's a bit of support at 32 cents though. Until it gets delisted. Exactly, Laura. You thought Mullen was gonna hit $1.50? Yeah. The day Mullen hits $1.50 is the day they do a split. And that's gonna be the same day it goes back to 50 cents. Unbelievable. What a garbage company. Yep, exactly, Sender. Exactly. But again, Mullen does have a bit of support here, 32 cents. So maybe it's going to stay above that level. Who knows? Mullen. Garbage. 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 Do, 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 do. Okay. I mean, moving on. Anything cooking? Nothing. Sheesh. We just need to cancel this week, and then come back next week when everything's going up 300% again. Or maybe after NVIDIA earnings. What's NVIDIA doing? Let me take a look. NVIDIA is slight green today. Yeah. Hmm. NVIDIA. Do, 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 do. Hmm. Jeffrey, all of them. Garbage. All of them. All of them. Right? But garbage can make money sometimes. Garbage can make money. With which after I think everything will explode. I think, yeah, Ace. I think that's the general consensus. And that's why we were hoping that the market would sell off yesterday and then sell off today. Jax, we were really in your corner. Sell off today, sell off yesterday, and then maybe sell off like the first half of tomorrow, and then pump it after earnings, right? So we'll see. It's not like Nvidia has gone anywhere crazy though, right? If you look at the daily or the 4 hour on Nvidia, it just looks like we're going sideways, right? Let me pull up the 4 hour here for Nvidia. Um, right, like it doesn't, like we're not really doing anything crazy. Look at that, right? We're basically just consolidating, waiting for earnings here, right? We're holding off the bottom, which is closer to 20, like 124. It seems 124, 125. We're holding the bottom of the range, but we're also not breaking above the top, right? Which is fair. So oh my goodness, when I first started trading, I bought Mullen at 650. Worst decision I could possibly make. Yeah. I mean, that might not have been the worst decision because Mullen at some point did push higher than that. The worst decision you made was not selling it when it pumped or when it started to crash, right? No stop loss. In Discord on YouTube, and let's go, Azul, let's go. Ooh, that's nice, Ace. Today. Entry point for Nvidia. Eesh. Would I be getting into Nvidia now? Unless you're scaling in and it's a long term hold, right? I really do think that Nvidia's. I don't see Nvidia missing earnings. The only thing that could make Nvidia go down is if something isn't quite like up to like analyst estimates, right? They're like, this wasn't quite as amazing as we want it to be. But Nvidia is gonna beat earnings. Nvidia will slap earnings and slap it and slap it. Right. The only issue we might have is if we price in all the good news and then we potentially maybe something happens. You never know, right? Um, but so again, so then to answer your question, like I think you're going to be fine even if you get into Nvidia. But if I wanted to look for an entry, like if I was getting into Nvidia now, I would not go all in. I would scale in slowly. Nvidia was beautiful 2 weeks ago at $90. Beautiful, right? uh I'm just looking. Good. Okay. What does that say? Hmm. Yeah, I don't know why you're having issues joining Discord. Or multiple attempts. Do this instead. Okay. Spy's trying to go back to red. Yeah, thanks to Jax. Yeah, yeah. Virus. Yeah, no. Nvidia has done a really good job today, actually. Really good job with the bounce. VOXX came all the way back up. So demand zone, all 450, all the way back up to $5. All the way back up. Somebody loves this stock. Somebody likes this thing. Unless this is just a lower high though, and then back to the abyss. Well, I mean, yeah, virus will. Virus from 69 to what now? Two. All these spy hitters. Jax is a spy hitter. Virus is a spy hitter. Troy is a spy hitter. Ayo, Ray, how are you? Yeah, $5 and then 550. Your grandma works in Mullen. That's the only reason why the stock is doing okay then. Nvidia selling stocks. Did you guys see the Lambo from Nvidia? The Nvidia. What am I trying to say here? So Nvidia employees are now buying Lambos. Did you guys see that picture? I mean, the Lambo wasn't that nice. Let me pull up Twitter here. The Lambo wasn't that nice, was it? Uh, the Lambo wasn't that nice. This was taken by Bloomberg. Bloomberg, Nvidia parking lot. So it looks like they're buying Lambos, with the with the you know Nvidia colors. Movement just for a little bit, TK. Right, Ace? Yeah. Nvidia employees. I know, right, Jay? I would take a not nice Lambo. Me too. Me too. Me too. Don't let me fool you. Yep. Yep. Big money's good for them. Good for them. All I want to win tomorrow, Golden Z Ace, is the Nvidia giveaway tomorrow. That's it. That's it. Nothing huge. Nothing. Do. You do 220 tickets. Woo! 220 tickets you're sitting on. Ooh, let's go, Ace. That's a lot of entries. That's a lot of entries. Let's go. Let's go. 220 tickets. Keep it simple. Exactly. Oh, 10 people? Okay. Yeah. When they say 25 per, yeah. Oh, there's going to be a lot of entries tomorrow. A lot of entries. A lot of entries. Yep. Na na na. Yeah. You learned the red candles, Ryan. Okay, moving on. NVIDIA highs of the day. Yep. Day high. Is the S&P still red with that? No, the entire market came back to green. The only thing that's red for now is BTC. Because Bitcoin likes to be red, you know, it likes to do other things. Likes to do other silly things. Let's go. Oh my, Dan, how did you get to 72 points? How? Wow. Sheesh. Don't worry, it's only a matter of time. Yeah. Oh, you left the stream? Oh, okay, okay. Sounds good. Exactly, Ham. Yeah, the last 2 days. It's been all about the small scalps. You win a little bit, you take the monies. If we break the view up, maybe. Yeah, maybe. Maybe because that thing is all the way up there. Abdu. So I think for now, though, your main focus should be making sure that this thing stays above 58 cents. If it doesn't, then it's done. TK. Dan stole your points. They take the points and give it to somebody else. And it goes NVIDIA. NVIDIA. Hmm. Let's go, Lee. Oh my, Lee. Oh my goodness. Damn, Lee. Relax. You're gonna lose those points. Oh my goodness. Are you guys seeing that? Sheesh. Damn. Welcome back, Tesh. 61. Yeah. Yep. Sheesh. Yeah. No, I think Bitcoin doesn't look horrible though. It's holding in the same range that it should be holding in, which I'm okay with that for now. Guardian, are you still on stream? Are you on stream? You're good to go now. Okay, your algo is good to go. Just refresh it and then follow the steps. So refresh and then add it in. There you go, Laura. Retesting 63 cents again here for ENSC. Responsibly, Tesh. Responsibly. Yeah. Again, for anybody that isn't over on Stonks, if you great coffee, really, let's go, Ryan. Let's go. You like the coffee? Good. Good. So for anybody that hasn't been over to the Stonks stream yet, Stonks is another streaming service. It's a new streaming service for Stonks only, stocks only. So the stream is running on there as well. Every time I go live, it goes live on multiple platforms. Again, so those guys are doing a giveaway, right? They're giving away $10,000. for NVIDIA earnings. Alrighty, so I'm sure they're gonna split it up like into like 10, 20 people maybe. I don't know how it's gonna work. The people that come the closest to guessing the price 30 minutes after after NVIDIA's reported, right? So let's say NVIDIA reports at 4:05. And then they're gonna do like 4:30 or something like that for the giveaway. Alrighty, so we're gonna be streaming tomorrow anyways. But if you haven't been over there, this is the invite link. So click that link at the bottom of the chat and make sure you go over there. Alrighty, that's the link at the bottom. And then once you click the link, there's gonna be like a hot straight stream on there. You just have to click on the hot straight stream. VOXX, yeah, that thing's actually done really well, really well, really well. Oh my goodness, Jill. Oh my goodness. Dan stole your monies. And Lee stole your monies as well. JD, JBDI. Yeah, that IPO. $6 again? Yeah, it's halted again. $6.20. Virus. Unbelievable. Golden Z. 20K raffle only. In the future. In the future. In the future. Virus is okay. Just gamble those, those tickets. Yeah. You click on the little points, purple thing at the very bottom of your thing, and then you have the option to exchange them for raffles when we do raffles, or what's my target for NVIDIA? I'm hoping we go back to all-time highs, Altesh. Let's go Azul. Hoping we go back to all-time highs. All-time highs. So did you request it already, Ali? You requested, and it like did you go through the process of requesting? Uh, yeah, exactly. Yeah, PJ requested. Yeah, it's halted, Carl. It's halted. NVIDIA 131 626. Yeah. What a slow morning. Who do I have one-on-ones with today? Sheesh, Azul is cooking. Let's see. Mm, okay, perfect. Eric, yes. On the 5 minute for Luna. Yeah, should. AOE. Did you find it, our guardian? Find it? So it's at the bottom there. Yeah, there you go, guardian. There you go. There goes the on halts for JBDI. Yeah, the spread is ridiculous on this thing as well. New session highs for NITO. NITO. Oh my goodness, Dan. Uh, Jay, what happened? What's so sad? What happened? Uh, sorry, Dan. Sorry, sorry. Do you see the smile on my face as I'm telling him sorry? Sorry, Dan. Uh, uh, NVIDIA giveaway. No, so that's when for when like I do a giveaway. So you when you have a lot of points, you could basically like just guarantee you win the raffle. You know. Uh, Archer, no, that thing is very slow and choppy. Like it's just going sideways. It's not dying though. Uh, he can do this on his own. Oh my goodness, Dan. Sheesh. Dan, this is all for the roasting over the weekend, you know? Oh, Dan has one. Oh, I was about to be happy for you, Dan. Anyways, good morning, Monty. Are you just waking up now? La, 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 la. Yeah. No, it's been very slow. Nvidia looks nice though. I think it's just slowly pushing for new highs there. Slowly, slowly. Jill, what happened? What's sad? Uh, for the raffle, no, tomorrow. So tomorrow, I'll show you how to. Actually, I'll show you how to. Uh, Azul, let's go. So what you do, Azul, is I'll show you. I'll show you right now. Can you see? Me? Yeah, you guys should be able to see my screen. So stonks, right? So stonks.com, right? So the price pool. So there's another game today for $1,000, right? So the price today is $1,000. It's $1,000 giveaway, right? So when you go on the main page, so if you click on the top left, like stonks right there, it's just gonna give you the main page, right? All you have to do is click on play. You click on play, and then it's gonna ask you to make a prediction, right? Like, hey, make a prediction. You click on make a prediction, and then I guess I just made a prediction, right? I just wasted one of my tickets. Anyways, and then you pick a number and say, okay, 30 minutes after Box reports earnings today, this is going to be the price. So you have 4 hours and 50 minutes to make your prediction, right? So there's a lot of time, right? 4 hours and 46 minutes. Alrighty, so that's how you're gonna do it tomorrow. ENSC is slowly curling again, 62.50. Yeah, not bad. Virus. Yep. 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 Do, do. Mm, no trading, Wanty? Okay, sounds good. Nitro. Ayo, good morning. Yeah. On Twitch. Yeah. Yeah, it's very slow, Nitro. Very slow. Like it's just been small scalps for me. It's nothing, like nothing crazy. 63. Let's go, Archer. Finally. Yeah. I mean, again, like the good thing is that it's not dying, and at least it's bouncing off the bottom of the range. So bottom of the range. Mm, Spice Transodipsky. Yeah, Nvidia is clearly controlling the markets today. I still haven't decided if I want to. Well, we'll decide that tomorrow. We need the thrust one. Ye minus 81%. Sheesh. Yeah, that's okay. Varys already cooked that money back in some other place. So the entire market really is just slow and waiting for Nvidia earnings, or did everybody just go away for the long weekend? Long weekend. Long weekend. You're thinking about $75 call? Let me look. Uh, TEM. $75 call. I mean, it looks really good today. He, I mean, I see what you're looking at, but I just don't like the idea of. Yeah, the reason why I'm hesitating is because you look at the last 3 days, right? And even though we've been a lot higher to 75 cents, which is what you want, if you look at the last, Friday, Monday, Tuesday, like this has been a problem. 78 cents, $78, right? So if I was looking for position again, one or two things. Either again, it would have been nice if you bought those calls. Like 60 would have been beautiful for you, close to the 9 EMA. This would have been perfect because now we're already at 66, right? So now you're kind of sitting in the like the upper part of the range. So if I was looking for calls either off the bottom, as long as we hold, or we break above that 78, and then it's a breakout, is what I would be looking for. Those little bouncy things are funny. NITO. Let me take a look. I mean, not horrible. Not horrible. Isn't that crazy, Dan? How like Lee just shows up and like you know Lee just shows up and cooks, and then you lose a whole bunch of points. Here we go. VOXX. Virus, these things should be back in the green now again. Back in the green. They stole your points, Jill. Yeah, I know. They stole your points. You're super delayed, by the way, Jill. Super delayed. Super delayed. Yeah, Dan stole your points and then lost it. Oh my goodness, Dan and Jill. You guys keep losing points. 20% now? Okay, good. Jill says, I quit. Those are YOLOs, Jill. YOLOs. NVIDIA dipskis, yeah. Yeah, let's see where we are in 10 minutes, guys, and then go from there. Alrighty? See where we are in 10 minutes. Funny, Rob. Mm. Oh, okay. Reaching $7. I mean, that would be nice. Would be nice. I think your main obstacle now is that anything close to 620, 630, 620. So break above 630, 650, and then yeah, $7. Plus the daily games overall are just better in your opinion, Yogi. Yeah. Yeah. I think the only difference is like YouTube's is well established, right? Well established. So yeah. ADXN. Okay, let me go back to that name here. Finally with a little pop there. Uh, Is it done? Are you in a position, Didi? Yeah, that $5 range is a big problem, right? So the last time we sold up to this level, we were able to bounce off 450. So watch 450. If that doesn't hold, you're looking for 420. Yeah. Make more on I don't make it. I don't make any monies on stonks. I don't make. Tell somebody to pay me, Yogi. I don't make any money on stonks. No, no, no. Yeah. Everybody's losing points now. Damn. Dan, this is your chance. This is your chance, Dan. Everybody's losing points. Will do, Yogi? Yeah. Yes, yes. Yes, yes. Inverse head and shoulder. Okay. Dan gave up, guys. Dan. Uh, ooh, let's go, Dan. On VOXX, yeah, so 450 and then 420. So for now, watch 450 to keep closing above. If it does, then that's okay. But you're in at 460? Okay, that's not too bad then. Good. I'm glad it's not anything close to $5, DD. Otherwise, that's a problem. So for now, make sure you put a stop loss somewhere, please. Please, please, please. For long-term play, so you're not in a position, Michael. You're looking for a position, though. Uh, is it a long-term play? No, an IPO is not a long-term play. This stock is brand new. It might do well, Careless Carter. It might do really well. Again, 620. If we can break above 620, 630, that might be a really good thing and then pump. But I would not look at an IPO as a long-term play. Yeah. So as long as that thing stays above $10 there, West, it's going to be on watch. ADZN, XN, ADXN. Uh, No, so Giovanni, that's for again. Every day there's a new prize. It's for box. NVIDIA is until tomorrow. So today the game is BOX. BOX. How long is the ideal time frame to stay in on an IPO? I mean, there's really not the only time frame you can look at when it comes to an IPO is a small time frame, right? 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, maybe, right? Again, that thing doesn't have very many candles. Right? The only candles this thing has is, it's been live for what, 30 minutes now, maybe? Like 30-minute candles. A couple of buys. Be very careful with that, though, please. Because your dollar cost averaging already, Michael, and you're not sure if it's a long term play, right? Be very careful with that. Don't throw good money after bad money. You're just asking for, again. I hope your dollar cost averaging not at resistance, right? When we look at this stock immediately, again, this is why we recommend looking at the daily time frame, right? Whenever someone says, "Hey, what do you think about the stock?" the first thing we look at is the daily, right? We look at the daily, and we can tell, like, hey, for the last month or so, it's resistance, it's resistance, it's resistance. So anything close to $2, $1.90, $1.80, be very careful, right? So so again, if your dollar cost, like, is it a long term play? They do have a catalyst in September, so maybe that'll push it. But at the same time, like, please, no more dollar cost averaging when it's sitting at resistance. Please, please. Yeah. Careful. Careless. Yeah, please. Again, they have a catalyst coming up next month. So with the release of the new robot, so hopefully that thing picks up a little bit of hype. But yeah, you want to be very careful when you get into these stocks. VOXX still at 450. Virus wants that thing in the abyss so he can smile with those puts. Do, 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 do. uh, Michael, yeah, you wanted to join us in Discord, Michael, right? What happened? What happened, Michael? Oh, Dan is slowly building back up. Yep, exactly. Yep. No, I think we had, the last 2 weeks were amazing. We needed a slow week at some point. It always happens. Sorry, Dan. Sorry. I won't jinx you. I will. Uh, I messed up and I wanted to put us. Yeah, you have to make sure you edit before you hit make prediction. You have to make sure you pick a number you like. What is that? See, the kid. Monkeypox. I know, right? I know, right? Choo. Yeah. Okay. I mean, a lot of weakness there, DD, right? A lot of weakness. Again, the only good thing is that it's holding above 450. So that's the only good thing. And then ADXN looking okay still. Looking a-okay. Yeah. You should still have more tickets though. So is that a reset? Just in an airplane tire on Boeing 757-200 just exploded during maintenance, killing. Oh, wait, what? So that's how those two people died, guys. An airplane tire on a Boeing 757-200 just exploded during maintenance, killing two Delta employees at Atlanta Airport per Fox. Damn, very sad. Like, how does Boeing keep messing up like that? Yeah, NITO has been cooking. There you go. So retesting highs of the day. Yeah. I have 100. Should average down on a Noah. If you average down, make sure that you put a stop loss right below 445. Alrighty. Again, I don't like averaging down on names that you're red on unless it's really sitting at support. Tony, I have no idea. It just says, yeah. I think they use Boeing just because Boeing has had a lot of issues, right? It might not be even be a Boeing issue, but maybe the person that made the tire. News that is going to rescue the astronaut that went up. Really, Wes? Yeah, I thought there's the problem, right? So that thing just had way too much resistance. Crazy, crazy. Crazy. Uh, let's go. Try. What chat do you prefer we use? Yeah, any chat. I think maybe now you want to use like Stonks so you can get the gift so you can for the giveaway to like tomorrow. But wherever you feel comfortable. Oh, Dan is coming back. Wow. 6 months on the on space station because they couldn't go back for some reason. Yeah. Doo-doo-doo. Yep, and then NITO slowly pushing for 40 cents. Slowly. Grisel, you took Dan's gambling luck. Yeah. Crazy. Yeah. APDN Ace. Yeah, looks like we came back to retest. Yeah, that was actually perfect. Beautiful, right? The retest wasn't just a retest; it was a retest of the 200 EMA, which is again what these things are supposed to be used for, right? So good dip, all the way back down to the 200, and then a little bit of a higher low, and then boom skis for APDN. Can I get back to 285 now, Troy? Ace. Good push. $149. Okay, alrighty, guys. 5 more minutes, and then 5 more minutes, and then we will hop off. 5 more minutes, and then we will hop off and go back to Discord already. Let me listen to this. Good scalp piece for you, Ace. Good scalp piece. Love it. Love it. Huh. Interesting. Interesting. That's more like it. Virus, just do better, Just do better. Anybody get into a NITO? I know this one's been getting spammed in Discord. Getting spammed. BGLC. There goes your 41 cents. You do? Okay. Which one's quicker for you, Troy? Jeff? Crazy. I feel like if that was a company that wasn't well established, though, that company would be like just like removed from the face of the earth. But just because it's Boeing. NITO. Did you get into that one, Jeff? Ooh, I like it. Yeah. I like it. Let's go, Troy. I like it. There goes NITO, guys. 42 cents, new highs. That thing said nothing is cooking. Don't worry, I got you. Let me know if you have any last questions, guys, and then we're gonna hop off and go back to Discord so I can go do some one-on-ones. Alrighty. Let me know if you have any last questions in the chat. Good job, Archer. There goes 43 cents. Good push. Raven, have a wonderful day. See you in Discord. Then see you for the monies tomorrow. See you for the monies. Ooh, Dan. Oh my goodness. Let's go. Let's go. Congratulations. I like monies. Yeah, that's a cool one, Troy. There goes 4360. Hmm. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. One on twos, James. Yeah, they have some cool like live gifts, live emotes. All that it's missing is the thrust emoji. Just now, Noah, you just said, you know what? Let me just jump in now. Sounds good. Sounds good. Are you in Discord, Noah? You what's your Discord name? That thing has been getting spammed in Discord for the last however long it's been getting spammed in there for. Let's go, Tony. Absolutely, yeah. Don't forget to smash the like, guys. Tay, good job. Good job. Again, don't forget to smash the like, guys. Hit that subscribe if you're new to the community. If you're not a member yet, click the link at the bottom of the chat. Come join us in Discord. Alrighty. And if you're not a member yet, click the link at the bottom of the chat there. From Nightbot, come join us. Come join us. We need my post-it note. It's the same, Dan. It's the same. Giovanni, thank you. Have a wonderful day as well. Archer, good job today, right? Don't lose that monies, please. Don't lose the monies. Keep it. Halil, what's your position in SOPA? And then I'll hop off. Love you too, Dan. I know. What's your position in SOPA? I'll take a look. My goodness, ENSC is the most frustrating stock you could ever watch. Sideways. Nitro, see you in Discord. Have a wonderful day, Olu. Scalping is much better than a full-time job. Let's go, Abdu. Right? Right. SOPA. SOPA really isn't doing anything, is it? Yeah. I mean, it's holding above $1. That's the only good thing that you're in at $1.30. Shush. You probably bought this thing all the way up there when it was failing at resistance. But anyways, for now, if I was in that same position, honestly, I would just put a stop loss at 99 cents and hope that it goes back up. That's about it, though. Carter, as long as it stays below $6.30, the answer is yes. It's going to need to break out. If it does, then cool. There goes, oof, look at NITO go. Sheesh. That thing said, let me cook, guys. Oh my goodness. I mean, I guess nothing is pumping, so that thing just wants to cook, right? That thing said nothing is pumping. Let me give you the boom skis. Damn, 67.50, almost 68 cents. Sheesh. Damn. It's actually a really nice push. Nemo 42.50. Yeah, part of the FOMO crew. The FOMO crew. Yeah, the closer we get to 50 cents, though, the more cautious you want to be there. So, should I double my points? Yes, Garden. Um, so yeah, the closer we get to, so yeah, 50 cents, the more cautious you should be. So be careful. Oh my goodness, Guardian. Sheesh. It's rigged. It really is rigged. Oh, when you lose those points, I can feel the pain, you know? It's like buying Mullen and Mullen gets halted down. Uh, can I take a look at GDC, please? Yes, of course. Again, I don't know where your position is, so that doesn't really help me. But yeah, doesn't really help me. GDC is surprisingly done well the last few days, even though it hasn't really done anything crazy. Like if I zoom out and I look at a 15-minute time frame or so, like it's not horrible, right? It's not horrible. Like it's had since Friday, like last Thursday actually. It's had some good support at $5. It seems to be creating higher lows now too, which is good. But as you can see, when you look to the left hand side, right, resistance at $6.46.50, right? So as soon as you hit the 630, 640, 650, it's a lot of resistance. So if I wasn't in a position, I'm not touching that thing until we break out, or I'm waiting for Dipsky all the way back down to 550-ish. Alrighty. I bought IVP $2.40. Looks like I'm losing. You can take some risk. Okay, that's not how it should work, though, right, Halil? You need to have a plan, right? Just because you're making money on another play doesn't mean you're okay losing money on another play, right? You need to have a plan. You're supposed to make money and keep it, not lose it, right? 2 points. Find a strategy and stick to that, please. Oh, Zaza. Okay, okay, okay. Sounds good. Mr. Marley, I like it. Zaza. Yeah, so 48 cents and then back to 45, retesting the 9 EMA. Alrighty, guys, we're going to leave it here for today, though. We will be in Discord. We're going to continue in Discords. Have a wonderful rest of the day. Again, if you do become a member, just send me an email, or the membership link is going to be on YouTube. Once you join, it's going to give you the link under the community tab. If you sign up for the right level. Alrighty, so click the link at the bottom of the chat there. Smash a like before you go. If you're watching on Stonks, don't forget to hit the follow button. Oh, damn, Dan is coming. Dan is like, let's go. Alrighty. Again, be safe. Much love, all. Thank you very much for the support. And hopefully, this slow week can go by quickly so we can start cooking again next week, because that's how it works, right? One slow week and then boom skis. Alrighty. Bye, Jeff. See you later. Poco, thank you very much. She'll see you later. Alrighty, guys. Be safe and bye bye.